Everyone, welcome to Beauty and Lifestyle by Anandita. So as you can see, we are going somewhere. We have actually started from Mysore Palace, and this is a lovely long drive too. Uh, See how nice rocky streets, and this is the toll plaza. We have to pay the toll here. We'll have our breakfast and then we'll go. It's a lovely long drive, and after that we'll go to Mysore. Today is Mahashivratri, so hopefully there will be no crowd today because most of us have gone to the temples. That's the reason why we have chosen Mysore Palace today, so that we can avoid crowd. And yes, we are going. It's a lovely sunny day here. Nice blue sky, trees. This place is so lovely, it's mostly because it has lots of greenery. As you guys can see, flowers, trees, and these streets are well maintained. So many coconut trees, flower trees, and yeah, there is a toy shop. Can you guys see? Lovely toy shop. And we are stopping here for breakfast, and that's our most reliable driver, my husband. And yeah, there are my children. That's my son, and there's my daughter. Metro rail work is going on here. It's too noisy, guys. I don't think whether you guys can hear me or not. Let's see, it's quite busy. We're going for breakfast. It's a lovely hotel. তুমি পপির সাথে চলো, দিদির হাত ধরো। My children are talking too much. Very nice ambience, isn't it, guys? Say hi. This is called idli. This is typical South Indian food, and that is vada. This is dosa. My husband prefers dosa, and this is how it looks.
Yum, yum, yum.
It's finely, what should I say? I mean, it's so crispy. They make a fine batter of rice
Yum, yum,
and
yum.
urad
Yum,
dal,
yum, yum,
and
yum.
that's how it looks. It looks so good. Tastes really yummy. And this part is butter.
Volume.
My son is fond of this vada. This is their kitchen. This is the outside part, the backyard. It has a small parking, and it's nice and safe place to have breakfast. Finally, we are going. We'll board the car once again, and then we'll head towards Mysore. As we all know, in Vishnu Puran, there is a beautiful story of Dasavatar which is supposed to be true, and in this hotel, see that Dasavatars are nicely shown nicely. They are depicted on the wall. Varah Avatar, Matsya Avatar. This is Matsya Avatar. I think that was Kurma Avatar. The previous one, this one was Kurma Avatar. They maintain the cleanliness and it's hygienic. I've seen all of them spraying disinfectant quite frequently, so it's safe. And if you come to Bangalore, do come to this place as well. It's a nice one. Yeah, obviously the sweets, chips. We'll go now. We'll start once again for Mysore and I'll keep updating, I'll keep sharing videos, guys. Let's go.